For today, we are going to explore some of the most powerful and practical tools in Canva that are especially useful for educators like us. So basically, we have five topics for today. First, we will be covering the Canva course designing. Next, we will be having timetable templates, the Canva sheets, Canva documents, which is a alternative of just same as MS Word, and the most demanding topic of today is Canva websites. So let's go through each of them step by step with short intros and some instructions. So first of all, let's begin with the Canva course designing. So let me just give you a overview. So Canva now offers an amazing feature where you can create complete course modules perfect for the educators building e-learning materials and lesson plans or training programs. So the steps to open the Canva course designing is you have to just go to the create option, or you can also select the education option over here, and you have to open the more option and the course is available. So you have to just select this course, and you can also rename it, just like I want to rename it as Canva course. And I can also add an activities or the description over to it. But the limitation for this Canva course designing is that if you want to share it with your students, you have to be the premium member for this. And it is a very good option if you are using Canva and you have to create long modules or assignments to a group of 30 students or more than that. You have to just go to this option, and you have to enter the email ID of the students or the participants whom you want to add. But the limitation, I already told you that you have to be the premium member for this. But if you are using it for yourself, just you have to create the activities or anything else, you can use this option also. The activity experience is also available, and the access permissions are also available. And you can also assign this course to a restricted part. Like if you want to assign this course to first 10 students of your class, you can assign this course to them. And the limitation is that only you have to be the premium version member of this part. So next we will be having the class timetable templates. So for that, let me give you a short intro for that. This feature is perfect to prepare your weekly, monthly, or subject-wise class schedules in a visual and colorful manner. So the steps to it are: you have to just search for the class timetable on the search bar and just select any one of the option, and you can see there are so many options available, and you have to just select the layout that fits your requirement, weekly, daily, or monthly. And also you can edit the text fields for periods, the subjects, days, and timings. Let me show you some by selecting some templates. So I'll be selecting um, which one seems very interesting. So I'll be selecting this. You have to customize this template. You can also add the college logo or school logo, and the teacher names can also be added to it. And you can use the color code for the subjects. Like if you want to differentiate different subjects with different colors, you can use this template. Like the students are also getting bored with that typical white base paper, this timetables. So you can use these. It is also having a advantage that it can be reused every semester. You have to just update the content, or you can select any other template for this. So you have to just select this template, and after double clicking it, the editing part can be done. Like I want to add the English lecture on Monday. English Next we'll be having Hindi. Next there's a games period. So you can add like this. And you can also add some transitions or animations over to it if you want to share this timetable digitally to your students. Or you can have a PDF print for this. You can also add a background image like I have told you earlier with the less transparency which will denote your class schedule. So let me just show you how you can add just like I'm adding this. And I want to make it a background image for this timetable. So what I'll do is I'll just select the layout and make it in the center, and I'll go to position option, opt for the background, or I can just simply remove the transparency for this. See, you can now add your college logo or anything, like if you want to make it a departmental class schedule or class timetable, you can add your department logo onto this. So this was the
Ma'am, one
time.
doubt here.
Yes, sir.
How to swap this row with column?
How to swap this row with column? So you can also use the another template which is having different rows, like in vertical the day wise and in horizontal the timings, or the vice versa. Or you can also manually change the part here. You can add
Thank you.
Monday to it, and you can add timetable time here. Just like we have our first lecture at 9 a.m. So I'll add 9 a.m. to it, or the first lecture or zero period over to it. So this was the timetable. Next, we will be having our Canva sheets. So let me just show you with a brief introduction that Canva sheets is a newly introduced feature and is Canvas takes and spreadsheet style content, and it combines functionality with aesthetics too, ideal for the grade books, attendance records, or planner timetables. So let me just show you. The steps are similar to it. You have to just go to the dashboard and select for the sheets. You have to just go to the home page and select for the sheet option, or you can also go to the apps option over here, and you can select from here also. So but the option is totally visible on our dashboard, so we'll select this. So you have to just select this sheets option. You can select a blank sheet, or you can choose a template like gradebook, planner, or any kind of tracker. So I'll be working with candidate profile tracker with this. So what I'll do is I have mentioned some names over to it, and for this, I can change the position applied for the participant. Like Alia Deshmukh have applied for the team leader, but I want to change the position to project lead. So it's just a one click away. Not you have to not even mention the content over to it. And I want to change the date of application. You have to just select the date and time column, and it is totally easy part. And the application status can also be changed over to it, like I want to make it under review, and headlines for the job, current job title. So you can maintain a sheet like this. If you do not want to use the Excel part, MS Excel or Google Sheets, and it can also be a real time collaboration, like you can share your sheet with your participants too. Like I want to add this to my another email ID. So I'll just give the permission to edit the sheet, or I can also have the option to just view the Google sheet of mine, and I can just select to share, and an invite will be sent to my another email ID. Let me just show you. See, a email to join the profile has been shared, and I have to just open it in Canva. Select the email ID which has been received with the invite, and you can see it can be edited with multiple options. And you can also add a magic chart onto it, just like this, a circle, a pie chart, or a bar chart. Or if you want to add any kind of data analytical visualization tool, you can also add. You can change the number format for this. If you want to add some currency over to it, you can add. Or if you want to add some decimals, you can add. A table can also be added, or a border. Like I just want to add the outer borders only. So I'll select the border weight, like it's just 5, and the color will be black. And you can see it is changed. Background color, I'll just make it to red. So this was for the Google, Canva sheets. Is there any doubt in these three topics, or should I proceed further?
Madam, there was just one thing that I wanted to know. Like you said, the Canva course designing which you started with, it goes with the premium version. But what
Yes,
about
sir.
this timetable preparation and Canva sheets? Do they come under the free version or the
Yes,
premium
sir.
one?
I'll just denote that what can be done with Canva Premium and what can be done with the free versions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So next we are having Canva Docs, which is an alternative of MS Word. So a brief introduction for this can be, we can answer to Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and it allows us to create beautiful and interactive documents. So the steps for this are, you have to simply go to your Canva dashboard, and you have to select the doc option over here. You can use the templates also, or you can use or create your document from the scratch. Like I want to create a resume using my Canva doc. I can do that too. But if I want to add some, but if I want to add a banner over to it, or a project review or something else, I can add that too also. So I want to create a project planner for this. I'll just do like this. You can create interactive documents using this, and you can also embed images, videos, charts, tables, and even link to another Canva designs, which is a advantage, you can say. And you can also collaborate in real time and export this document in PDF or the Word. So the benefit of using Canva Docs is that you can use this to create research papers or assignment sheets with embedded media. But in MS Word, we need to do a lot of formatting. But in this, it's just a click away. You have to just drag and drop, and the tool will do it itself. So let me show you. We can create just we have to create a cover letter for this. So like this, we can create a cover letter, add as new page, and see, a cover letter template is already given, and you have to just edit your content according to the template and according to your need. So this was for the Canva documents. So next we are having Canva website, which was very demanding among all. So let me just show you how we can do. You have to just go to the dashboard option and select the website. And after that, Your Canva editor will be open. What you have to do is, like, I have to create a education website. So what I'll do is type education over here, and all the templates for the website related to the education will be available. Like, I want to create a classroom website for this. So these all 5 or 7 sections are for a one page. Like, I want to create a home page. So these all 7 sections will depict or will denote a one web page. Let me show you. These are not the 7 pages, but the 7 sections for a web page. See, this is a one web page. You can't consider them as 7 web pages. So if I want to add multiple web pages over to it, I will just add a page, and I want to create a about us page for me. About us. So I'll do about us education and select this template, and you can see a second web page is also added. Next, we'll be adding contact us page for this. Contact us. What else use a web page with a form. So see, I have added a web page with a, or we'll use the web page with a Google form. Contact us. Or we can add some another content over to it. Like, I have applied all the 3 sections to it, and we have created 3 web pages for this. So next we will be having a web page for, like, we want to create a digital marketing website, so we'll be adding a web page for our website's overview, like digital marketing services, what kind of services are we providing over to our clients. So these are the sections, 7 sections. So another fifth web page we'll be adding for, just like, write your name here, and it consists of 8 sections. So we have created 5 web pages for our website. So it is a totally responsive website, and you have to just choose a single page or multiple page site template, and you have to just edit the content with your text, the links, images, and videos. Like I have told you in earlier sessions of ours, if you want to change this image, you have to just delete this image and go to the upload section. You can add this and just drag and drop over to the Google form, that frame option. So the image has been replaced, and if you want to add some content over to it, you can add. You can also add Google Forms link to it. And after adding all the web pages of your part, you have to just preview and publish instantly with a free Canva URL, or you can connect a custom domain too. So we'll just preview this first. Go to the preview, and it is a responsive website, and you can also choose the option to include navigation menu or not. See, I have disabled the link to include navigation menu. All the web pages link are totally not visible to me, but I want to show them. So the I have created the 5 web pages, and they are visible to me. I can open them just by clicking on the particular web page I want to open. And you can also resize on your mobile. If you want to open this website on your mobile phones, you can see it is a responsive website. It will adjust it accordingly. If you want to create a portfolio website for you, like nowadays you are creating a blogspot or Google Sheets or Google Sites. So if you want to create something innovative and interactive, you can use Canva for this. So I want to publish this website. What I'll do is, I'll just go to the publish option, and this will be the URL for my website, or I can also change it. I'll go to publish, So I'll just give you this link and please open it and let me know what the results are. Is the website visible to you or not?
Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is working.
Is it visible now? See, your website has been created in
Yes.
just 5 or 10 minutes, and it totally depends upon you how much editing you want. And if you want to add a 3D image, you can just upload it to it on the Canva and just place it in the frame. See, I have opened the website on my desktop too. And you can also change the name for these pages. Like, I haven't changed the name for them. Edit design. For this, if you want to change your page's name, what you have to do is, I don't know what. You can add the page title over to it, like this is my home page. What happened? Editing. Why it is not working? I guess Canva is lagging today. Why it is not working? Just give me a minute. I don't know what has been done to it. I guess Canva is lagging today. So I'll just show you that if you want to change the name of your web pages, like the page 1, page 2, page 3, or page 4, you have to just add the name over to it. And after publishing it, the name of the web pages will be changed. I'll just edit this. Guess it will be normal now. Ah, you can see I have changed the name of page 1 to home, and this is my page 2. I'll give it about us. And next we have page 3, the contact us. Next we will be having the services. And lastly, we can say a dummy. So after previewing it, you can see the names are changed from page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. And you can see the changes already done on the link provided by me to you in the chat box. You can also add a table to it. If you want to add a table, you have to just go to the tools option and there is an option to add tables. You can also add tables. And for this, you can add a custom color for border color, etc. And moreover, a table spacing can also be done like this. So this was all about the today's session. So let me have some doubt session right now. That's all from my end. And moreover, advantage for Canva website is that you can add sections like about me, like I have told you, and you can even embed the Google Forms or YouTube videos also. It is a very interesting tool, and you can create website using this. So now that
Ma'am,
we have yes sir.
ma'am, is this website available to us for lifetime?
For lifetime, see sir, I haven't used this for a lifetime purpose, but I'll just explore and let you know tomorrow in the session.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Hi, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Excuse
pages
me.
are not appearing.
yes
Ma'am,
yes.
do we have to pay for running this website?
Ma'am, you have to just pay for the domain part. If you want to make it a live website, you have to take the domain and you can use that. But for creating the website, it is totally free.
So after creating this, we have to fix it in a browser, right? Now, how
Yes.
can we make it public for public view?
For public view, if you want to make it a dynamic website, like you want to attach the database over to it, you can use the domain system. Like we have GoDaddy, Hostinger, like this. But for static websites like portfolio website, it is totally free. You do not have to create or use any domain system for that.
Okay, thank you.
How to give access to others on Canva website. So just see, I'll just show you. You have to share the design. Just go to this. I guess Canva website isn't working today. I'll just show you in this part. You can share your design using the email ID. It is a real-time collaboration tool. You have to just add the email of the person and give the type of permission you want to, like if you want the another person to edit your template or to comment or to just view, you can select it from here also. And after sharing this, an email will be sent to the person whose email ID has been added, and he or she can also edit the template real time. Page titles are not appearing. So they are available and are appearing on the template. I have just changed in front of you. See, page titles are available.
No, not in editing,
मैम
ma'am.
जब हम ओपन करते हैं ना तो वहाँ पेज 1, पेज 2, पेज 3 ऐसे ही आ रहा है अभी भी.
While publishing, madam.
But it has been changed on mine. I guess Canva websites are lagging today.
Okay, okay.
Mine wasn't working too.
Here it is appearing, but in publishing,